Hi, I'm Thombs of FINtastic Sportfishing, and today we're using a new technology on the boat. It's called the Scotty Seeker. The Scotty Seeker is a depth and speed as well as temperature down at the cannonball, the downrigger weight. So we know that our baits will be running at the proper speed and right in the zone of where these fish are. We're using it on our downrigger today. This is our Scotty downrigger. On the starboard side, we have the probe on it, and it's reading back to our hydrophone, which is installed on the stern of the boat, listening for the signal that comes up from the probe. It goes to our hub unit, which is a box that is found underneath my helm, and it's sending a Bluetooth signal to my display. In this case, it is just a Samsung tablet, and you can see the app is placed on there, giving you your temperature, your depth, and the speed down at the cannonball. Right here is the line of that probe. Now, there are a few things that are really important here while we're trolling with our down speed. You know, we really want to cater to the speed that we have here, but we're being very cognizant about our direction of our troll and what that means for our speed down at the cannonball. For an example, today we're finding that the current down where the baits are is much stronger as we are trolling towards the west. So the current is going from west to east. It's very common for this to happen, especially even days after a major wind event, and that's exactly what we had. 2 days ago we had 50-mile-an-hour winds out of the southwest, and it just gets this lake starting to move quite a bit. And you get a lot of currents. Even though we have a beautiful flat calm day today, there's a lot of current in the lake, and we're trying to get our speed correct in order to mimic what we need for the best action of our baits today. When we change our depth, it's almost instant with its readout. Let me show you. I'm just dropping the cannonball down, the downrigger weight. I'm down 45. You can see it on the graph there as it's dropping down, and I'm going down into the depths. You'll probably see on the tablet as well the temperature change as well as the depth almost instantly. So here we have now down 65 feet. I stopped the cannonball. You can see that it blew back again and raised up 2 feet. 44 degrees down there, so much colder than it was at 35. And again, we're doing 2.1 miles per hour. I like using miles per hour because I can also use it in conjunction with understanding the difference between our speed over ground, which is our GPS speed. So that's really important too. Here we have our temperature down at the probe and our temperature on the surface. Our GPS coordinate, our heading, which helps me to determine, you know, are we going faster or slower in the current? Is things changing? If my idle on my kicker motor is the same, but yet our down speed's changed, what's happened with our GPS heading? Are we going in a different direction? And is that direction heading into the current or going downstream of the current? These are the things that we want to learn while we're using our Scotty Seeker. Likely a lake trout. I'll be right on bottom. Singing and catching fish. Like a trout. There you go, man. Look at that.